Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Travelers Lodge Marshall. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Travelers Lodge Marshall exterior room entrances allow guests convenience, as well as the safety of not having to walk down hallways. Less than 1 mile from Southwest Minnesota State University, this motel offers guest rooms with free Wi-Fi and cable TVs. Laundry facilities is available on site. A microwave and a refrigerator are included in every room at Travelers Lodge Marshall. Air conditioning is also provided in each room. Fax and photocopying facilities are also featured on site. Marshall Golf Course and Southwest Minnesota Regional Airport are within 8 minutes drive from this motel. Lyon County Historical Museum and Marshall City Center are 2 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.